Hello, people. Today we are going to open a LinkedIn business page. So you'll obviously go to linkedin.com/home. You want to sign into your personal account. There will be. See, so far I have how many followers do I have? I have around 22,200 connections. I want to grow this to as many as possible. So I want to open a page. So I can also be running ads. So company page. That's separate from me, and if anybody else wants to run it, uh, it doesn't have to be with me. So I don't have to be there or use my account. That's the name of my business, my website. So which industry am I in? I am in the digital marketing space. How many employees I have? We are 10 in our company. Public company, no. Privately held, partnership, no. Privately held. Let me choose marketing, okay. My logo, where do I normally put this stuff? My tagline is we help build profitable business relationships between businesses and their clients. I am verifying that. Create. Okay, I'll try that. So you visit your page, grow a page. That's what I really want to do. Okay, let me just not do this now. Add a quick description. Here I'm gonna rely on ChatGPT to come up with something quick. Okay, I think that's enough for me right now. Wrong place here. That is fine. My phone number. This one was started in 2012. Can I add specialty? So, cool. save that. Our buttons. Featured group visibility, later, details, workplace. Oh, right, it's for hiring commitments, location. We're in Kenya. Uh, Pege Road. Nairobi. That's fine. That's another minute, just me alone. Okay. Close that. Have I not done this before? Let's save that. Oh, no, I mean, okay, I don't know what's happened. That's a problem. I'll look at it later. That's the button I've done. So page post is nothing. I made a video earlier. Now I'm posting on stop posting on my YouTube. Sorry, on my LinkedIn I just do on my page. Oh yeah, the description for this. Right, and there we're done. So the video will upload. So right now I have 2,000 connections. I want to see how I can build this to be as big as possible. Oh, 60 minutes is a stretch. I think I'll just be repurposing stuff. All right, anyways, guys, I hope this video has been educative. I will talk to you guys later.